Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to install the KB2 into a dot compatible device. First of all, we're going to do the unboxing for the full borrow and dotmission KB2 kit. You're going to get the KB2. This one is in borrow mode automatically. Okay. You're going to get a set of spares. You'll see that we have some gaskets, dot borrow tool, and some O-rings. And you're going to get a spec sheet of the KB2 and dotmission full kit. There's a user manual here. If you scan it, it'll lead you to different user manuals, instructions, and how-tos. Lastly, we have the dotmission conversion kit right here. So this kit is going to convert your KB2 borrow mode into a dot compatible RBA. Okay. All right, so we're going to put that aside, and here's our AIO. First of all, we're going to remove this cup over here. I found that using a coin or whatever definitely works. It might be a little hard at first, but just put a little pressure to it, and then you should be able to remove it. Like so. Okay. And we'll put that to the side. All right, and you'll have to remove this gasket as well if you are using the dotmission tip. You could use some sharp tweezers, poke something that's really sharp to poke with, or I found that using to my fingers definitely work. You just pry it out slowly. So just push it, loosen it up. There you go. Okay. All right. So we're going to take the KB2, remove the chimney, and then we're going to remove this collar over here. Like so. Put that to the side. And this is a dotmission borrow. Okay. I'm just going to remove the glass first. Remove this collar here. You'll need this collar to use in the dotmission borrow. And we're going to install it onto the KB2. Like so. And then we're going to grab this tool over here and remove this threaded chimney. Like so. Okay. All right. So now we're going to put the KB2 into the dotmission borrow. I found that placing this in like so, and just let it seat like that first. Now you're going to take the chimney and place it into the top cap. Like so. Okay. And now what we're going to do is align the KB2 to the bottom hole. Like so. Just press slowly till it's secure and straight. Okay. Then we are going to take the tool again and tighten everything up. Like so. Okay. All right, so once it's secure, put your juice of choice in, and then slide your glass up. Like so. Okay. And to put your dot borrow into a dot mod, what you have to do is just place your borrow in like this, press down, slide it in. And then the tip is self-explanatory. So threaded tip. Let's put it in like this. There you go.